Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got an exciting tutorial for you. I'm going to show you how to import a UDP Request Config on the SocksIP Tunnel app. And hey, if you find this video helpful, please support us by hitting the like button and subscribing to stay updated with all our latest videos. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we need the required UDP request file. Open your browser and search for UDP and slow DNS files. Look carefully in the search results and click the official link. Once you're on the home page, tap the hamburger menu at the top left. From the menu, select UDP Config. A small window will pop up. Simply click UDP Request. The page will start a 10-second countdown. After it finishes, a download button will appear. Click it and you'll be directed to a page listing various UDP request configs. Pick the latest config file, click on it, and when the download page opens, tap the download button. In a few seconds, the file will be downloaded to your device. Now, let's install the SocksIP Tunnel app. Open the Google Play Store and search for SocksIP Tunnel. Find it in the list, click Install, and once done, open the app. You're now on the app's homepage. At the top right, tap the plus icon, the three dots. A small menu will pop up. Select Import Export. Next, click on Import. This will open your Downloads folder. Find and select the UDP Request Config file you downloaded earlier. In a few seconds, it will successfully import into the app. Now that the config is imported, simply click the Start button. In a few moments, your VPN will connect, giving you fast and secure web browsing. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.